Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. I've decided to start to do a daily foodscaping tip program so that I can advise and inspire more people to take advantage of all the opportunities that their landscapes offer. So today's tip is simple. I want you to walk outside, do an entire lap around your house, and identify all of the areas of open ground space that aren't currently planted. That's step one in foodscaping. All you have to do is look in and amongst your existing trees, shrubs, and perennials, identify some areas that are basically just open mulch space, and then start cultivating that area into food production. Look, I promise you, you do not have to have lumber to grow vegetables. So don't blow your budget on wood, don't make all these stupid raised beds, just start engaging the ground plane. Start growing the food that you eat all the time. Grow practical things, okay? Now is not the time to grow one of everything. Instead, pick 5 things that you eat every day and start growing those. Grow them in a meaningful way so that you won't be reliant on buying them at the grocery store. So behind me is just one example of many of the vegetables that I grow in mass. This is arugula. Arugula is my favorite green. It's also very practical because it's spicy, so the deer and rabbits and groundhogs don't really prefer it. Another nice thing about arugula, you can let it go to flower and ultimately set seed, and then it will just start self-sowing. So you don't even have to keep reinvesting in the seed. It's a fantastic cool season ground cover. I've been harvesting arugula since October. I don't buy salads ever from the grocery store. I don't trust grocery store lettuce. I only eat it from what I grow. And that's the thing, I can grow enough salad greens to feed my family and many of my neighbors for an entire 6-month period just by sprinkling seeds throughout my landscape. So this is the entire premise of my first book, The Foodscape Revolution. You can buy that on Amazon or you can buy it from my website, breegrows.com. The whole concept is just to simply look at the opportunities that are not being taken advantage of in your landscape and start growing food in those places, okay? So stay tuned for tomorrow and every day after that because I'm in quarantine and I am home in my home foodscape, harvesting till my heart is content, and I want to be able to share this joy and this advice with all of you so that you can have the same experience as me. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home.